Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm taking you guys shopping with me for some fall decor. Later on, I'm going to be doing some cleaning and decorating for fall and just trying to give you guys some ideas for this year in 2021. So if you are here for the fall content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'm not going to lie, I'm still holding on to summer just like a little bit, but I'm really excited for fall to come. Fall is my absolute favorite season. Let me know in the comments what your favorite season is. And without further ado, let's get into the shopping, cleaning, and decorating for fall 2021. Let's go.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're.
So I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really impressed with what Homesense had. I absolutely love that they had more color options. They had, you know, the pinks and blues, as well as your like, you know, common colors for fall, like the oranges, yellows, and that sort of thing. So next stop is the dollar store. We're actually going to Dollarama, and so I'm going to show you guys what there is for fall decor here, as I feel like sometimes the dollar store is overlooked. And yeah, I really want to share with you guys what there is. Let's go see what we can find.
What
Okay, I just tried to go into Winners and that was like a total bust, which I'm not really shocked about. They didn't have a single piece of decor, so I didn't show you guys anything. I didn't even take you in the store, but I did get a couple things from Homesense, not fall decor related, so stay tuned. I don't know when you're gonna see my bathroom makeover video. I think it'll be after this one, so what I got will be shown in that video. And yeah, so that's kind of it for this fall shop with me.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Weeks and months and years they pass.
right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and end this fall decor video right here. If you enjoyed the shopping, decorating, and cleaning motivation, I would love if you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. I'm hoping that next year I will definitely be buying more like home decor and stuff like that for fall. I do decorate a lot more for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. But I do like to keep my fall decor super simple, fairly neutral. And so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the fall decorate with me. I have lots of new, fun, exciting content coming at you guys in the next couple of weeks. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload. And yeah, that's kind of it. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
All the nights that